Good morning, dear children. In view of COVID-19, today onwards we are starting online classes. As per as the mathematics concerned calculus, in paper 1 we are taking second chapter, that is sets. Set is a branch of sets, is a branch of mathematics which deals with objects or elements. Every field of mathematics use or refer sets. Directly or indirectly, the set concept is related in your daily life. Children, suppose if you get up in the morning in the home, what you will do first? Normally everybody will take brush and they will brush the teeth. So collection of all the brushes in your house is one take as a group. Afterwards, when you are taking breakfast, your mother comes and keeps all the tumblers on the board. So all the collection of tumblers is a group. Or all the books in your home is a collection of books. Or all the pens you collect in your home is a collection of pens. All these etc. comes to one group. Here the group is defined correctly. Suppose comes to here. Let us see this example here. Here you are finding here some mathematical objects. Here also you are finding some mathematical objects. But there is a difference between these two. Here you will find mathematical objects are different. Square you are finding, rectangle you are finding, trapezium you are finding, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, circle, like different objects are there. But whereas here you are finding all triangles. Maybe they are different types of triangles, but they are belongs to one category, that is triangles. So now a set is a group of objects which are defined clearly. Here it is not clearly, but here it is clearly defined. So we can conclude that a set is a well-defined collection of objects. Once again I repeat, a set is a well-defined collection of objects. And comes to the next, what are these objects are called according to the mathematics? The objects of the sets are called elements or members. So once again I repeat, objects of a set are called elements or members. Now let us say how to denote a set. A set, suppose let us say N is a set of natural numbers. So how to write this as natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, not. So all these are all called elements. These elements are enclosed between flower brackets. And name of the set is denoted by capital letter. Suppose if you take another set B is a set of all words in English alphabet. If you take, you will write elements as A, E, I, O, U. That means here the name of the set is denoted by capital letter and elements are denoted by normally small letters here. And here we use normally two symbols. Belongs. The table does not belong. So when we use this belongs and when we use this does not belong, we will see. Take here N. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose 3 is there. 3 is a present in N. So we write this 3 belongs to N. This is the symbol for belongs. Let us take does not belongs when we use. Suppose here 0 is there in this set? No. So 0 we write 0 does not belong to set N. Let us take here also suppose. U is there in this set B. Therefore we write as U belongs to set B. Here, is P there in the set B? No. Therefore, you write as P does not belong to set B. Next comes to ordinal number. Cardinal number of a set. So what is this cardinal number? Let us take set B. Count number of elements how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, the number of elements a set belongs contain is called a cardinal number. That means how many members are there in that particular set is called or it refers a cardinal number. So here B, there are 5 elements are there. So it is denoted by N of B. Is equal to, you write this as a number. That means it shows that in set B there are 5 elements. So, representation of a set. So, comes to your, you just see this example here. Representation of sets. You are finding this a B is a set of which is a group. You will find here 3 different colors are there in this. So, you will take this as a set B set of primary colors here. Set builder form. So, this is describing a set. This description of set is also can be written as this way. Set this, that is called set builder form. B X such that X is red or blue or green. That means here these elements are shown separately here. So it is called set builder form. This set builder form sometimes we can take all the elements and write separately. It becomes roster form. So roster form B is equal to here. What are the elements are there here? Red, blue, green. So red, blue, green are the objects or members of this set. So this is the difference between set builder form and roster form. Let us go for some more examples here. X says that X belongs to natural numbers. X is less than or equal to 7. So this is now is in the set builder form. How to convert this into roster form? So to convert into roster form, you write here all the members of X belongs to natural numbers, and X is less than or equal to 7. So all the natural numbers less than or equal to 7, we have to take elements and separately we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this represents roster form, whereas this is set builder. Let us go for some more example. Suppose set K. X is such that X belongs to Z integers. X is greater than or equal to -3 and less than or equal to suppose 3. This is in set builder form. How to convert into roster form? So K is equal to. So all are integers. Integers means people know already plus or minus 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, so on. So here greater than -3 or less than. So starts with -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is roster form. So we go to more examples on set builder form. Normally children find it very difficult to convert set builder form to roster form. Let us go for some more examples. X such that X is equal to 1 by n. N belongs to natural numbers and n is less than or equal to 6 terms. So this is in the set builder form. How to convert this into roster form? Let us see. M is equal to X is equal to 1 by n, where n belongs to all n are natural numbers and n is less than or equal to 6. So let us take less than or equal to 6, n value is first becomes 1. So let us take x is equal to 1 by 1. So first element becomes automatically 1. Second one becomes 1 by 2, n value is 2. Take n by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. So m is in the set builder form. It is now changed into roster form. Let us go for one more example. Z is equal to x such that x is equal to n square plus 1. N belongs to natural number. N is less than 5 squares. So once again, I repeat, x such that x is equal to n square plus 1. N belongs to natural numbers and n is less than 5. N is less than 5 means here up to 4. 1 to 4 we have to take. That 1 to 4 we have to substitute in this. Suppose first one, x is equal to n value we have to take as 1 first. 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1, it becomes automatically 2, first element. Second element becomes 2, 2 square, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Next comes 3, 3 square, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Next 4 square, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So once again, try to understand here, x is equal to n square plus 1. N belongs to natural numbers and n is less than square you have taken here. So 2, 1 square plus 1, 2, 2 square that is 4 plus 1, 5, and 3 square, n value is 3, so 3 square plus 1, 9, 10, and 4 n value, 4 square plus 1, 7. So this is the way we can convert all the set builder forms into roster forms. Let us go for one more example. 5. Set K is x such that x belongs to W. All whole numbers and x is greater than 3.5, 9.5. So here x belongs to W. W means whole numbers. X should be greater than 3.5 and 9.5. Whole numbers will not get fractions in whole numbers. Therefore, if you convert into elements, it becomes first element becomes after 3.5. Next whole number is 4. Again, next whole number is 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 9.5. So 9 also will be present here. Therefore, these are the elements 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are in between 3.5 and 9.5. Suppose M is taken as a set x such that x is all the letters in mathematics. So all the elements we separate here from this word mathematics. M is equal to. So we already discussed that all the elements should be always written in the small letters. So let us take as M, A, P, H, E. Again M is already repeated. Element should not be repeated. M, A, P is already there. Next we are trying to see yes. So M x such that x is all the letters in mathematics. Therefore, M, A, P, H, G, I, C, S. These are the elements from the word mathematics. So, dear children, today's session is completed. So, before going to the session, let us see what we have discussed. What is a set? How to describe a set? How to convert roster form into set builder form? Set builder form into roster form. Next, we will proceed to the next class. We are going to study about types of sets.